Are you a beginner trying to find products to promote? Or maybe you've tried a few platforms and you felt completely overwhelmed? Yeah, I've been there too. And this new platform I found changes everything. Most beginners waste hours searching for products, setting up tech, building funnels, and still don't make a sale. That's why I got excited when I found out about this new platform created by the guy behind ClickFunnels, which is a billion-dollar company. His name is Russell Brunson, and he has helped millions of people launch and sell products online. And now he built something called OfferLab, and it gives you ready to promote products so you can start earning commissions. Plus, if you're not a tech savvy, it sets up your funnel literally in less than 30 seconds. Here's the part that blew my mind. Normally, building a funnel is a huge pain. With OfferLab, I can pick a product as my main front end and then attach another product to it that's more expensive, and the platform gives me a single link to promote both. It takes less than a minute and I don't have to touch a thing. Most beginners don't even know this is possible, so if you're watching this video, you're at a serious advantage. Thousands of beginners and affiliates in the community are seeing results real fast. Real people in real success stories, as you can see on the screen. And here's something extra OfferLab actually offers. If you've created your own products in the past, maybe a guide or a planner or an ebook or a course, you can actually post it in the platform and have other people promote it for you, making you more money. But if you are brand new, the easiest way for you to make money is to pick a product inside the platform and start promoting that. It's super simple. You're gonna go to offerlab.com and then you're gonna go to the marketplace. You're gonna explore all the categories that they are and then pick one that you like. For example, I'm gonna go with digital goods. And then you're gonna scroll through and find one you like. I'm going to choose this one here. It pays 50% commission. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna click on promote this offer and you're just gonna say, hey Dean, I would love to promote your product, and then hit submit. Once you do this, once you request to get approved for the product, you're gonna go to sell, and then you're gonna click on create a new funnel right here. And then all the products that you've been approved for will appear right here. So for example, I'm going to promote this Leave Your 9 to 5 challenge as my main product. So I'm gonna click this here, and as you can see, it goes right here. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on the second one as the upsell. So this is for $5. Let's add something a little bit more. So for example, this one right here, and as you can see, it added it, as my other offer. And you can see this is for like $97. And then once you do, literally all you do is you click publish, okay? And you can choose OfferLab domain. You hit publish now, and there you go. Your funnel is live. Now this is the link that you want to promote on social media. Now you have 2 products in a single link. As you can see, no tech headaches and no funnel to build and no wasted hours. Literally, you pick a product you want to promote, you get your affiliate link, and you can start promoting it today. If you want to get started with OfferLab today and find a product that you can start promoting today so you can earn as soon as possible, I'm going to leave a link for the platform in the description so that you can check it out. If this video was helpful, like, and I'll see you in the next video.